In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Copilot for Excel. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key requirement. Copilot in Excel is a premium AI feature, and it only appears if your Microsoft 365 account includes a qualifying subscription. Because Copilot works deeply with your files and Microsoft 365 apps, it won't show up in the settings unless that subscription is active on your account. So if you don't see the option right away, that is usually the reason. With that in mind, go ahead and open Microsoft Excel. Once Excel is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click File. This will take you into the main menu where you can access your app settings and account-related options. From there, click Options. This opens the Excel Options window, which contains a variety of settings for how Excel behaves and what features are available. At this point, you may notice that there is no Copilot section listed on the left side. If that happens, it means the feature is not currently available on your version of Excel, most likely because the required subscription is not enabled for your account. If you do have the correct subscription, the process is very simple. In the Excel Options window, look at the list on the left-hand side and click Copilot. This section only appears when your account is eligible, so seeing it there confirms that the feature is available to you. After selecting Copilot, look for the setting that says Enable Copilot. Check that option to turn the feature on. This tells Excel that you want Copilot available inside the app so you can start using AI-powered assistance for things like formulas, analysis, and content generation. Once you've enabled the setting, the last thing you need to do is restart Excel. Close the app completely, then open it again. Restarting ensures the setting is applied properly and allows Copilot to load into the interface. If everything is set up correctly, Copilot should now be available in Excel. So to quickly recap, first make sure you have a qualifying Microsoft 365 subscription, then open Excel, go to File, click Options, select Copilot if it appears, enable it, and restart the app. That's all it takes. If you follow those steps and still don't see Copilot, the most likely issue is that your subscription does not currently include access to the feature. And that's it.